Hey, we back, we back, we back, we back, we back, we back. Back to the lyrics. Nas Never Die featuring Wayne. I expect to be impressed. I don't want to be disappointed. So just get into it. By both of them. It should be a good song.
We ain't gonna never die, we ain't gonna never die. I'm an icon in real time. Why I wait this long to let y'all in my ill mind? We ain't gonna never die. We ain't gonna never die. Yeah. We ain't gonna.
Why does it have a Mass Appeal tag?
I think it's the new album.
That's the name? Oh, it seems like the channel Mass Appeal.
We ain't gon' never die, icons in real time. Why did I wait this long to let y'all in my ill mind? I think the hate was strong, so I went to a chill vibe. Could never say goodbye, I let my skill cry, let my soul bleed. Inside a rose wearing rosaries. Homie, I love the new NY, cause I'm the new NY and the old NY at the same time. I always hit the last shot when it's game time. The Jordan Kobe Bryant talk, take a long walk. You might start to understand what I'm putting on for. I left more flows and Pro 2 sessions than you ever thought of with old school methods. But what you hearing is the present day. Over breaks and samples of New York and WA. The brand Nubians, NAS and Wayne. Don't threaten me with a good time, we here to stay. Nasty, they don't make them like me. Mask up, all black, like a Pooh Shiesty. Swoop through, I'm like Detroit Red in the Zoot suit. Loose screws, any great challenges, I find a loop through. Loopholes, why they treat me so bad, Club Nouveau. Damn, the times we living in is crucial. This my Tom Cruise flow.
Sure. Oh, Nas. I think Nas should have retired a while ago. Like, this whole song, he hasn't said something that wowed me.
Top Gun, they too slow. Computers ain't fast enough to keep up with nasty, cuz we ain't gonna never die.
You should not be laughing, Nas. We are laughing at you right now.
We ain't gonna never die. We ain't gonna never die. We ain't gonna never die. Icons in real time. Icons in real time. We ain't gonna never die.
Icons, stepping on pythons, spitting that cayenne, eat you like Zion, peeking at the skyline, reaching for the stars like I'm reaching for the pylon. I seen you on the sideline, you need to walk a fine line, need to read the guidelines instead of reading the timeline, where everybody like line, nobody flow like mine. I'm sonning these niggas, got me coaching niggas like crime. Tongue I never bite mine, got dough like taekwondo. To spend all this money, I'ma have to spend a lifetime. You broke, can't even buy time, should throw niggas a lifeline. No money on my mind, and I be on your white mind. I hit her with the pipe bomb, then pass it down the pipeline, but actually we quite fine. Diamonds on me sparkling and splashing like some white wine. They love me in the nighttime, they hate me when the light shine. Shots I got 100, and problems I got 99. Bugatti by Ryan, take off with no flight time. Bad bitch on the passenger side.
Shots I got 100, problems I got 99. Okay.
Like some white wine. They love me in the nighttime. They hate me when the light shine. Shots I got 100, and problems I got 99. Bugatti by Ryan, take off with no flight time. Bad bitch on the passenger side, she don't even like flying. Booty soft as nightline. You niggas smart as my crime.
Passenger side. Okay, I guess you mean on your way to the airport, but that was weird. If you mean on the plane, then that's a weird line.
No, you're talking about in the Bugatti Veyron.
That's what I'm saying.
Bad bitch on the passenger side, she don't even like flying. Booty soft as nightline, you niggas smart as my crime. I got a black Nina that get nasty as a white blind. Low credit, high.
They get nasty as a white?
White blind, that's what it said.
Line. You niggas smart as my crime. I got a black Nina that get nasty as a white blind. Low credit, high crime. Open mind, tight rhymes. When they hear my lines, these rappers gotta catch up like Hines. Weezy in my slime knives. Ain't nobody like eyes. Like bygones. Gotta let icons be icons. Hi, moms.
I don't know. I don't like hearing like icons, like especially people.
I'm disappointed.
Especially people you never thought that they would rap together, and when they do, it's like okay.
I don't even want to say anything.
But yeah, this song was a track. Yeah. Please like, subscribe, and suggest better songs, guys. Please suggest better songs for us. We don't like this was such a drag. Yeah, I don't know what to say. So peace.